What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Here we are today, not the 25K challenge, but we have a pretty big day in the market. So the past few days technology stocks haven't been doing the best. The market's been kind of flat, but technology stocks have been slipping. So as you can see, we made $5,845 on the day. We'll talk about the details of these plays. But first, let me just show you how the market's looking. So this is the S&P 500, pretty flat. Obviously, we had that big pullback in the middle of the day. But then you look at QQQ, and here we are. One second, I just got a notification. That might be an old notification, whatever. You see QQQ, you see how big of a pullback this is compared to SPY. But, at the end of the day, we did have some big, a big few weeks. Market's been pushing. This could be a, just a normal pullback, healthy pullback, or it could be a little, rotation, because you're seeing, things like, Spirit push today. I saw a few things. Spirit's up 5.9%. You're seeing Cats. Sorry. There we go. Cat's up, what, 5% today. I don't really trade Cat or Spirit, but I saw those things, and I caught my eye, and it makes sense. Things are reopening. Rotate money into things that haven't got as much as attention as things like Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Google, Amazon. Those stocks get attention all year round. So it could mean a few things. We'll see. We're 1% away from all-time highs in the S&P 500. So we'll see if it really means anything, or it's just a a healthy pullback. But we'll talk about our first play of the day, which is Apple. Apple had an upgrade, a very nice upgrade this morning. Oh, actually last night, actually. But the stock opened up nice, up $7. If you go to the 1 hour here, it was consolidating. Wednesday and then Thursday it took off from 442 all the way to 457, and then Friday you had that pullback. Due to that technology pullback. We don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out in the coming weeks. As we go on this week, we'll figure out where the market's headed. But Friday we had that pullback, but overnight last night this got a big upgrade, the biggest on Wall Street for Apple. Price target to 115. So I was watching, it was up $7 pre-market, pulled back, consolidated right at open, didn't really move, was waiting for direction. As soon as I saw direction, I got in for the break of 452.40. The reason I did was that was the pre-market high. So I used the pre-market high. It pushed. I was up nicely, pulled back. I used 452 as my stop loss, and it created a nice little bull flag, and this ended up pushing. I ended up selling on the 453 break on this candle around 453.40. This ended up pushing all the way to 455. I was waiting for the re-entry so I could get in for the, one second. Here we are, right here. So I was waiting to see if we were gonna actually fill the gap here. I don't want to take this alert off, but you guys see the gap right here. I was kind of, right there. I was waiting to get in. It broke 455, but quickly pulled back. So 455, it had a dollar-ish room to 456 to fill that gap. Ended up getting rejected right at that number, 455.11. And ended up coming all the way down. Puts would have been a clean play from 455 all the way down to 440. I would have loved that. Would have paid very, very nice, but didn't catch it. You can't win everything. MCRB, I don't even want to talk about this, but the stock had some news. Got approved by the FDA, and I decided to play a pre-market. Broke the high of like 19. Had some shares. It ended up selling in the 20s. I was going to hold it, but I knew I was going to play Apple, so I didn't want to hold for too long. But if I would have held, look at this push right here to $33. Whatever, that's a whatever play. It doesn't even really count. But let's go to Tesla. So Tesla, easy one today. If you look at the last 5 days, you see Friday where it bounced here very sharp. So look at the bounce here on 415. Now if you go to 10 days, I believe, there we go. Did the same thing right at that 420 level, 417 level, bounced right off. And today it retested it at open. It's just straight down basically. Then it bounced off, and I knew I had it, right? I knew I had this short correct. because it bounced off today, and then I didn't get in right here. I waited for the bounce and then got in on the break here from 417 all the way down to 14. I believe I sold at 1409, but this dropped all the way to 14.7, and then later on dropped all the way to 13.85. So I'm going to keep a close eye on this for this week. I'm looking at this 13.72 area for Tesla. I think that's a very important spot for Tesla. So maybe next video you'll see me, catch the play on a 13.72 break. But that's a very important spot. Maybe it'll bounce. I'm seeing some big orders for the call side on Tesla. Not sure what they're looking at, but maybe they're expecting something that I don't know about. And we'll see where that go. I know they have Battery Day in September, so that's a pretty big catalyst for Tesla. But other than that, you had a pretty boring day. Nothing much went on in the market. Let's look at Amazon. Pretty flat here. Obviously, you could have caught the downside. Maybe the upside if you saw anything. But that is my plays for the day. That's how I made $5,845. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment down below. I'm going to make sure I make live videos this week. I haven't made a live video of me trading. I'll do that. Well, I have it on Instagram, but I haven't done it on YouTube, so I'm looking forward to do that. Just don't want my Mac to, lag or anything like that. So if you guys enjoyed that video, like. Any more information about me, make sure you check the description down below. I'll see you guys. Peace.